Hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to make a recipe that I saw online from a lady who is from the South who says y'all a lot. It's hot dogs, barbecued hot dogs in the oven. Now she got a lot of negative comments. I was reading through those. They commented that she didn't cut the hot dogs up early enough and that she used mayonnaise. Now, I've never had a hot dog with mayonnaise, but it could be pretty good. We're going to give it a try. So, plus I'm going to make it like a Franken beans kind of a thing. I'm going to add some bacon bits and Bush's baked beans. So, we'll see here. I've got 8 hot dogs that I'm going to cut into pieces and put in a bowl. Now, she put it in a casserole dish, and they complained about that because it looked like she'd have a lot of cleanup, and I'm not big on cleanup, especially when I'm hungover. So, all I have to clean up, hopefully, is this bowl. I'm going to cut these into pieces. Ooh. There. All right. Now, put them in a bowl. Run away. Run away. Okay. Oh, these, by the way, are chicken dogs. They're not your regular hot dogs. All right. So, that's what we got so far. What do we have here? Mayo. She was preferring Dukes. All she had was Hellmann's, and that's all I've got, so we're going with Hellmann's. And she didn't say how much. She just kind of coated the bowl. That should do it. And yellow mustard. I don't have yellow mustard, but I do have French's Spicy Brown. So we'll give that a shot. About the same amount. Okay. Now, let me mix that up. I don't want to use this. Yeah. Okay. Now, the rotating mix, sprinkle hamburger. Okay, yeah. She was saying to use either hamburger or Montreal seasoning. I don't have that. I have Texas barbecue seasoning. So, try some of that. Ooh. Stir that up. Okay. All right. Now we gotta go in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, the oven just hit 400 degrees. Put this in for 10 minutes. And we'll finish up the second half. Okay. All right. Be back shortly. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Toasty. All right. Now she said to add a third cup of brown sugar. A half a cup of barbecue sauce. And I'm going to add bacon bits. This goes good with everything. I don't know what to tell you, how much to put in, but, you know, season to taste. Okay, mix that up. Probably could have used something a little bigger than a spoon. But being divorced, retired, and learning to cook, I don't know, what can I tell you? I enjoy this. To be honest, I really haven't made a bad meal. Could be the alcohol. All right, we're going to put this back in the stove for, see, that's the other thing. She didn't mention how long to put it in for the second part of it. So, and hers came out really burnt, and that's another thing they complained about. So I don't know. I'm going to try 5 minutes. I'll check it. Maybe 10. We'll see. I'll let you know. Is that on there? Okay. All right. Go back in for 5, maybe 10 minutes. We'll set this for 5. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up on the microwave some Bush's baked beans to put on top the whole mess. So I'll probably be tooting it tomorrow. But we'll see. Be back shortly. Okay, I took it out after 5 minutes. Didn't look like it was cooked enough. Give it another 5 minutes. I'm going to go with that. So that's 10 minutes in addition to the original 10, so 20 minutes overall. Cancel that. Doesn't look much different, but not burnt. I don't know if it should be or not. Now, I also heated up some Bush's beans in the microwave for 3 minutes. Big can. Just a little piece of advice. When you heat up beans in the microwave, put a lid on them. Just save you from a lot of cleaning. Anyways, okay, I gotta scoop that on there. Hang on. Oh, let me show you how these turned out. If you can see this. Not bad. Smell good. That's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. I'm going to throw some beans on top of this. Yeah. I'll be tooting tomorrow. Looks good though. Can't complain about that. I guess this is what they call franken beans. Man, it's still hot. Don't bitch at me, I'm not a professional chef. This is all new stuff. Okay. Now we're going to take it over to the table, taste it, and I'll let you know how good it is. Alrighty. Give this a shot. Let me get my utensils. Alright. Franken beans. Oh, let's mix that around a little bit. Does smell good. Whew. Excuse me. Yeah, this recipe is from a Southern girl. I actually dated a Southern girl from the South. She used to call me Dane. She'd say, "Hi Dane, how are you?" My name's Dean. Some people call me Dino. I prefer Your Majesty. Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Stud Muffin Extraordinaire.
Stud Muffin Extraordinaire. Nobody calls me that, but she likes me. Okay, anyways. It's good. Really can't taste all the other flavors though. Can't taste the barbecue sauce. But it is tasty. It's good. I bet you could probably get the same taste using less stuff. I don't know. I'd recommend this. I really would. It's good. It is good. Okay, so anyways, I was talking about those sayings in the South, like, poof! You all take care now, you hear? You all come back now, yeah? Oh, the one I like is, bless his heart. They usually say that when you do something stupid. You know, like, oh, the poor boy just crapped his pants. Bless his heart. The poor boy's an idiot. Bless his heart. Anyways. This is good. No shit. I'll end this. Anyways, this is good. Give it a shot. Tell me what you think. If you get a chance, go ahead and subscribe. Won't cost you anything. Might help me out a little bit. But anyways, TTFN, ta-ta for now. And you all come back now, you hear? Love you people. Thank you.